Hello friends, here is a very short but sweet exercise for you. Change the sentences into negatives. Let's begin. Simple. As you are now familiar with the do insertion, it becomes very easy for you, I hope, and we will start. So, they draw water. They do not. They do not. Shortened form is don't. Okay. He practices. He does not. He does not practice. Doesn't is the short form. She feels sick. She doesn't. Do not draw. The whole thing. Then practice. Practice. She does not feel, doesn't. The boy collects. The boy does not collect. And my friend likes. My friend does not like. See, the S is taken and attached to do. Yes. My friends quarrel. Sorry, not my friends, but friends. Friends quarrel. Sorry. Friends do not quarrel. And don't. They take. They do not take. He looks. He does not look. Then next one is students leave. Students do not leave. Next, the play begins. The play does not begin. Play does not begin. Teacher takes rest. Teacher does not. He's a very hard-working person, so he doesn't take rest. Does not take rest. My classmate helps me. My classmate does not help because he is a cruel fellow. Yes. Then master often gets angry. Master often does not get angry because he is a man of great tolerance and patience. They play mischief. They do not play mischief. Birds sing, birds don't. Birds do not sing. Songs, etc. So the point here you have noticed this. In the positive means when you make negative, what happens is there should be, you have to insert do. And then when you insert do, what happens is the S is taken and added, sorry, added to do. That's why we say the S is absent here, but present here. S is absent here, present here. S is absent here, present here. S is absent here, present here. And then here, of course, no problem. S. S is absent here, but present here. Do not the play. S is absent here, present here. Teacher does. S is absent here, present here. My classmate does. S is absent here, this here. Present here. Water, sorry, master get absent here, but present here. They do not accept. Birds do not act. It's okay. That's no problem. So, you should never say like this. The boy does not collect. Never. The boy does not collect is wrong, 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 wrong. So the boy does not collect. My friend does not like, not likes. He does not look, not looks. The player does not begin, not begins. Teacher does not take. Take is here. Take, not takes. Teacher does not take, not takes. My classmate does not help, not helps. Master often does not get, not gets. Why? We have already explained. Now what can you do? You know, generate sentences like this. NB1, VP, NB2, and then start inserting negatives. But before inserting negatives, of course, you have to insert do. And then third person, in that case, S will be attached to do, and that do will become does. Hope you have done it and you can do it, isn't it? So far, so good, fine. So tomorrow we will have another point in connection with the simple present. That will be yes or no questions. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.